guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I sat down and I didn't really know what to do. I just knew I wanted to record and use this palette. Now I know this palette's been out for quite a while, but there's still loads of shades in here which I haven't used and I absolutely love this palette. So I sat down and looked at it and realised I haven't really done a really orangey look on my channel before, where I just concentrate on orange shades on the eyes. I know I do warm tones and brown tones, but I haven't really done an orange look on my eye before. So yeah, I came up with this look and I absolutely love the way it turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram channel so you know when I'm uploading next and you know what's coming next on my channel. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So dipping into the shade Iced Coffee, I'm just going to be applying this with a fluffy brush and working into my crease. This is going to be our transition shade for today. Then picking up the shade Cup of Tea, I'm just going to take it on a cleaner fluffy brush and just start working this into the crease a little bit more, just to start adding a lot more of definition into the crease. Then I'm just going to pick up my fluffy brush we start off in the beginning and start blending out them harsh lines, and then go in with the shade Peaches and just apply this in the crease. I'm only applying a little bit of this because I don't want it too much of a peachy tone look. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Iced Coffee again and just blend out any harsh lines which have occurred with that shade. Then going in with the shade Cloudberry, which is the orange shade what this look is based all around. I'm going to pick up a fluffy brush and start blending this into my crease and on the outer portion of my lid as well. I'm going to be applying quite a lot of this because I do want this colour to stand out on the lid. Then I'm going to take some concealer and then start cutting the crease and then carving it all out. I'm just going to be using a very tiny brush to do this, and you want to make sure you take your time with this just so you do get a nice clean line. And then I'm going to apply the rest of the concealer all over my lid and then blend it out with a small stipple brush. Then setting that in place using the shade Pancakes and Penguin. I mix these two together because Pancakes is too dark and Penguin is too light, so mixing them together is a perfect shade to set the lid. Then I'm going to take a flat brush and just go straight against that line just to make it as crisp as I possibly can. Then going back in with the shade Cloudberry, I'm going to start defining that crease a little bit more and darken it up with this shade, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Danger and then run this right across that cut crease just so it defines it and just makes it like pop a lot more on the lid. Then going back in with the shade Cloudberry, I am then going to start blending this shade out so it isn't as harsh and just so again it looks nice and blended. Then I'm just going to apply some more of the Penguin and Pancake shade just so that line is nice and crisp like it was earlier. Then taking the Makeup Revolution liquid liner pen and I'm just going to do a wing. Then I'm going to coat my lashes with the No. 7 mascara. Then going in with the Eyelure Party Perfect lashes and just applying these to my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Cloudberry again and start running these underneath my lash line. Then picking up the shade Pumpkin again and then just define the lower lash line just a little bit more. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Fairlight and start highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner with this shade. Then going in with the Freedom Contour and Highlight palette, I'm going to use the two lightest shades in this palette and just start contouring and bronzing my face. Then I'm just going to go in with some blusher from number 7. Then bounce my beauty blender all over my face so my makeup melts nicely together. Then I'm going to carve out my cheekbones. Then for highlight today, I'm going to use the one out of the Freedom Contour and Highlight palette, and this one's really nice. Like, I forgot how nice and subtle and glowy it was. Then I'm going to spritz my face using the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Fixing Spray. Then for lipstick today, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Luscious. I realised this was a little bit too peachy, so over the top of that I went in with the shade Vivid Matte Liquid from Maybelline in the shade 50 Nude Frill, and then this made it look a lot much better. And then this is the end result, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram page, but yeah, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys!